Everyone, Brian Stevenson here with Real Estate Law Plus, and today I want to talk about working with our neighbors down south. If you have U.S. clients that are looking at purchasing property in BC, there are a few key issues that I want you to be able to spot early on, and importantly, have conversations about early on with the clients, so that one, these things aren't being addressed late in the process and it's a surprise to everyone, and two, so that the clients feel like they're receiving a lot of value up front from the services that you're providing them. Now, a quick plug, Pusher Mitchell does have an immigration law practice group, and we commonly work with U.S. clients for immigration and visa needs. So if anyone has any clients that need assistance in that realm, please feel free to reach out. I would be happy to connect you with the appropriate individual. Now, the first thing you want to talk about with your clients is what is their intended use of the property? Are they going to be owning the property as a principal residence because they are immigrating to Canada? Or is this an investment property and potentially they want to consider incorporating a company in BC to hold the assets as a result of future acquisitions they'll be doing as well, and the tax advice they've received as a consequence? Now, at the end of the day, you don't need to advise them on any of those things, of course, but you do want to issue spot when it comes to what is their intended use of the property, because there will be knock-on effects when it comes to tax. Now, from a tax perspective, we have, of course, the purchase taxes, the property transfer tax, the additional property transfer tax. We also want to be conscious of speculation and vacancy tax, depending upon their use of the property. And we also want to be conscious of when these properties are being sold, there's going to be capital gains. There's going to be a non-resident holdback that may have to be put in place if, again, that individual has not put the property in their personal name and has not moved to Canada and is not using the property as a principal residence. It's all very contextual. So at the end of the day, we have some tax consequences we also want to be conscious of. And finally, we want to know about how they're going to be purchasing the property from a financing perspective. Will this be a cash transaction, which just requires the movement of funds cross-border? Or will there be a BC or Canadian financial institution involved? And where are they going to be signing the documents necessary for those loan applications to be completed? All of this has to do with the personal finances of the clients that you need to have a conversation with them about, so that we're not waiting at the last minute to try to get funds from one place to another place because this wasn't talked about beforehand. So if anyone has any questions or comments on this topic or things they'd like to share when working with U.S. clients, please feel free to leave a comment down below. If you like this video, hit that button. If you want to share it, please feel free to do that as well. If anyone wants to talk further on this, you know how to contact me. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk soon. Thanks.